Good day po. I am Mr. Bermeo, a student nurse from Naga College Foundation, and I will be performing an assessment for of your eyes, ears, nose, throat, and respiratory system. This will help you evaluate the symptoms you are experiencing, such as blurred vision, nasal discharge, sore throat, and shortness of breath. This procedure will take about 5 minutes and will not cause pain. So may I proceed po? Okay, so thank you po. I will perform hand hygiene, prepare my equipment. Ensure your privacy and comfort. So are you comfortable with your position naman po? Okay, so for the eye assessment, I will be assessing your eyes. So please look straight ahead po, ma'am. So I'll be inspecting the eyebrows, eyelids, and eyelashes for symmetry and for any lesions. So wala naman po. And I will inspect for the conjunctiva for failure, for possible anemia. So pupils are equal and round naman po. So ma'am, I will be using the Snellen chart to test your vision po. So kindly close cover your one side of the eye. So ma'am, can you tell me what letter is this? This one po? This one po. So on the other side po. Okay, so the patient po has a good vision. Tapos na. Are you experiencing any blurred visions or floaters po? Okay, so we'll proceed for the ears, nose, and throat assessment. So I will now assess your ears, nose, and throat po. Okay, so for the ear assessment, I will inspect the auricle for symmetry, lesions, and discharge. So please tell me if you feel anything from your ears. And now po, I will be using a tuning fork to assess your hearing po. You hear any sounds po? Tapos na. So please tilt your head slightly po. So I will inspect the nasal, mucosal septum, and turbinate. So nasal crossing or discharge. So I will take the cyanosis. I will gently press your frontal and inferior cyanosis crystal if you feel any tenderness. Okay. So dito na po. Okay, so please open your mouth po and say ah. So there's no any inflammation or anything else. So thank you po, ma'am. And for I will use the some difference. Ma'am, can you open your mouth po? I will be using pulse oximeter to assess your oxygen saturation. Yung password. So the ano is 94, which is normal. Okay. So for the respiratory assessment, I will now assess your breathing po in lungs. So observe the respiratory rate and rhythm. Please stand in the posterior chest. Please take a deep breath, ma'am. Assess chest expansion, symmetry, and I will percuss. And for the auscultation, for the scoop. So ma'am, please take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale po. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So, red sounds noted po. There's no any sounds po such as crackles or wheezing. So, that concludes my assessment. And then, your vital signs shows elevated blood pressure, fever, rapid heart rate, and low oxygen, and high blood glucose, which may contribute to your symptoms. And now I will report these findings to the physician for further management. Do you have any questions po or concerns? Okay, so thank you po. Tapos na, tapos mga simik na natin.